Alright, let's cover some more of these buttons. Let's first off make sure we got something here that we can draw. Do the lips. And let's draw a square. And let's draw a circle. Alright, and the next button we're talking about is erase. And what you can do there is use your pick button, highlight, erase, like that. You hit the eraser end on a line and you can eliminate it one at a time without having to do the select portion, and you can just eliminate between the two dots. Now between your two knot points, and that's where you can do that. The next one is to add a knot, and let's highlight this, bring it over here in the middle, and let's say we want to add some knots in order to simplify our program, where we can figure out what we want to draw in here. We've added some knots in that fashion. Now we can draw between these with a little bit more accuracy. And there we have something a little different. Okay, the next icon is this hand, which is pick, or yank, I'm sorry, means yank. If you click on that, then I can take this line that I dropped there, put it somewhere else. Take that one and put it somewhere else. And that's what you can do with this yank. You can grab a knot, twist it around, make it go wherever you want it to go, and you'll see what you can do with it. Okay, the paint bucket is your color icon. It will drop down the colors over here of the glass templates that you can use. Let's go in here and we'll take this first color block and we'll say cathedral, because we want just plain clear glass. And let's say that for the cathedral glass we want something pretty green. We've got it selected. Over here, excuse me, over here, once you've selected it, you can then put a letter or number or something else that you want on there. What I do is I let the program number the pieces, and I select a letter to precede the numbers in the pieces of the color that I've selected. So in this particular instance, I put A. Then I can go in here and we see that we've got a color here, and I want it to color, and it doesn't do that. Why? That's because there's not a knot right there, because all I want color is this piece. And you'll also notice that if you click outside this, you'll see the paint can does not tip up until it can color something. Once it tips up, if you'll take a look at that paint can closely, where the paint's pouring out of the can, that's the tip of your arrow. And let's draw a circle here. And let's select another color just for funsies of some kind. I'll call this one with the B. We've got it. Now, I cannot click there, but as soon as I got that, I can click there. Why did it color all of that? It's because I have not got a knot there and a knot there. I go back, and that way I've only colored the piece that I want colored. The program will do quite a bit for you, and that's what I'm trying to help you learn. If you go up here to the Help button, and then as the drop down menu comes down and you hit Suggest, what it will do is give you this little menu, and it says missing knots, overlapping lines, etc. Okay, now the program will find these for you. Now let's, for instance, here, okay, there's a missing knot. It noticed that, says you need to put one right there in order for it to work. There's a missing knot. Doesn't like the way that one's bent there. And now it has no more suggestions. And so if I put a knot there, and a knot there, that should satisfy the program's requirements. All right, let's do a select all, and we'll do a cut, and everything's gone. All right, this next button, which is your glass orientation button, does not work. Let me see here. Let's draw a circle. And let's say we want to fill it with green, and there we go. Now, let's let me do something here a little different. Okay, let's pick something that's really streaky. Let's call it A, so it'll be what we want in there is A, and you'll notice if you're going to change colors with the same letter designation or something, it asks you if you're doing what you want. You'll notice that the A is dropped off of here, and let's fill that in. Now, in glass orientation, well, let's see, this is a message I hadn't run into before. Under color options command to display glass at its actual size for dragging to be available. Okay. Well, I gotta say, folks, I'm sorry, but I don't exactly know how that one works. I don't use it, so I haven't quite got that one figured out. All right, we're about to run out of time again, so let's stop there, and we'll start this next lesson in a little bit with the pan button. Thank you very much, and I shall stop this recording.